Secrecy of World Drama Wheel. Cyclic pattern of the universe. The World Drama Wheel consists of golden, silver, copper and iron ages, and each age is of 1250 years duration. The first half cycle is 2500 years, which consists of the golden and silver ages, known as heaven on earth. In this period of 2500 years, souls and nature are in their highest, purest form of original qualities with full of happiness. There was the existence of the deity dynasty religion on the Indian continent only. From the Copper Age, there was establishment of different religions and formation of different continents on the earth. At the start of this age, souls and nature had started to lose their original qualities. The present period is known as Diamond or Confluence Age, which is the ending of the Iron Age and start of the Golden Age. It is the transition period of less duration in which God, Shiva, manifests himself with his human corporeal medium, Prajapita Brahma, Adam. In the Diamond Age, the transformation of the world from Iron to Golden Age is under process by God Shiva at Mount Abu, Rajasthan, India. And now this age is also coming to an end within a very short period. The history and geography of the universe repeats dramatically after each 5,000-year period, and it is known as cosmic time cycle according to old civilizations. If we join the present universe known to science and the outer cosmic world, then it will form a complete cycle, closed loop, and it will be clear that each and every process in the universe is cyclic. The examples of different cycles present in the universe are water cycle, nature cycle, rock cycle, carbon cycle, food cycle, nitrogen cycle, season cycle, solar system cycle, day and night cycle, the cyclic rotation of the Earth's core. AC and DC electrical power flows in a closed loop as a cycle, and light also travels in a cyclic motion. Hence, time is also cyclic in nature and not linear, as the universe is cyclic in nature. The universe consists of God, souls, and the 5 elements, and all are at different levels of energies. As the universe consists of energy, then according to the first law of thermodynamics, the universe can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. There are certain theories about evolution of species and the universe, but there are many flaws in these theories because they are not following the first law of thermodynamics. Till today, no one has challenged the laws of thermodynamics, as these are universally accepted laws. Let us see what the limitations of evolution of species and the universe are. 1. Darwin's theory of evolution. There are many facts which prove that Darwin's theory of evolution is completely wrong. There is 98% difference in the DNA of monkey or gorilla and that of human beings. It means that human beings have not evolved from apes. Otherwise, no ape should remain on the earth, and all might have been converted into human beings. Second, mathematical explanation about the theory is not given. Third, there is no information about the genes that can prove this theory. Fourth, in the last days of his life, Darwin has agreed that, as per records, it is not found that any species is converted into other, and it could not prove that one species can be converted into other. Reference My Life and Letters, Volume 1, page 210. 2. Big Bang Theory. Limitations of Big Bang Theory. 1. Element abundance prediction is not found true. 2. The universe has too much large-scale structure, hence cannot be formed within a short period as mentioned in Big Bang. 3. The local streaming motions of galaxies could not be explained by this theory. 4. Issue of 96% invisible dark matter could not be explained by this theory. 5. The universe flatness and monopole problems could not be explained by this theory. Age of the universe. The age of the universe is considered in lakhs or crores of years, and it is mainly decided by the carbon dating method, but it has many limitations. The limitations of the carbon dating method. 1. There is a variation in decay of the sample in the past, hence getting inaccurate results. 2. There is a major possibility of the presence of daughter products in the sample, hence results will be inaccurate. 3. Improper results obtained because of changes in the environment in the past. 4. There is a greater impact of ultra-high energy particles, radioactive minerals and chemicals on the sample. 5. In this method, it is assumed that the end product is lead, but there is an existence of uranium and thorium also. 6. There is a mistake in the lead ratio, hence improper results would be obtained. 7. There is variation in carbon decay rate because of changes in the Earth's electromagnetic field in the Van Allen belt. 8. There are different ages of the same sample when tested with uranium, thorium, and carbon dating methods. 9. This method was found to be inaccurate in many experiments across the world. The scientific evidences of 5,000 years period of cosmic cycle are: 1. The full life cycle of the Earth's magnetic field is 5,000 years. 2. Lead to uranium conversion takes place in about 5,000 years. 3. The universal flood had occurred about 5,000 years ago. 4. According to fossil radioactivity, the geological age of the Earth is only thousands of years. Ultimately, it is concluded that the age of the universe is not lakhs or crores of years. Instead, it is only a 5,000-year cycle in which the world's history and geography repeats dramatically. Whenever there is decay of righteousness and moral values of human beings and imperfection in matter, then there will be transformation of the universe at the end of the cosmic cycle. Golden Age. We all souls were living in the cosmic world before the start of the Golden Age. In this age, the central gravitational forces of the cosmic world and the Earth were balanced and zero. In the Golden Age, deities were living on Earth, and there was a kingdom of Emperor Sri Narayana and Sri Lakshmi. Today, this advanced kingdom is well known as Atlantis or Maria, whose evidences have been found in the records of old civilizations like the Mayan, Egyptian, etc. In the Golden Age, the ether energy was continuously flowing from the cosmic to the physical world through the white hole, due to which nature was fully charged with golden particles. Due to continuous ether energy flow on the Earth, the living world was at its highest form of purity. The center of gravity of the Earth and the sky was in one direction, due to which the sun and the moon were rotating above the Earth in a clockwise direction. Also, 108 stars of the zodiac and 7 stars, Saptarushi, were arranged in a crown and straight line form respectively. In this period, the speed of light was very slow, due to which day and night period was of 21 hours each. Also, the sky was rotating very slowly because of less density of the universe, and this scenario continued till 2,500 years in the Golden and Silver Ages. In this period, our serpent power was in the crown center, as we were in the soul-conscious state, due to which there was a continuous flow of ether energy through the pole star, and the complete planetary system was following the thought orders of the emperor. At the start of the Golden Age, there was bulk quantity of mercury all around the core of the Earth, due to which the core was charging continuously by ether energy and resulted into production of the Earth's strongest magnetic field. In this period, the Earth's magnetic moment was produced through monopole, and its entire energy centers were concentrated at the center of the core. There was no meridian and equator on the Earth, and its land and water distribution was like lotus shape. The sea water was pure, crystal clear and clean. there was an absence of salt in the seawater, and it was spread all over in a cyclic pattern covering the complete surface of the earth with less depth and spread beyond the horizon too. The seawater was completely transparent, through which it was possible to see the seabed. Nature was in complete order of the deities because of their purity. In this period, aeroplanes were working on ether energy with Tesla coil technology and could be controlled by the thoughts of the deities. In the Golden Age, different types of diamonds were found in kimberlite and lamprolite type of rocks, from which rays of 7 colors were spreading all around. Such diamonds were used in palaces, aeroplanes, and for outdoor lighting, etc. The colors from the diamonds were controlled and adjusted as per the deity's thought process. In the Golden Age, sunlight particle cones were dynamic in nature. When the emperor used to think about the day, the sun's light particle cones would open at 180 degrees, and when he used to think of night, the same sun's light particle cones would shrink and get closed. In the night, there was a reflection of such rays on the moon, due to which full moon condition was maintained. The light cones from the rays of the moon were also being controlled through the thought process of the emperor. In this age, DNA was of 12 fibers, due to which the deity's body was very beautiful, strong, with full of subtle powers. They never became old and could leave their body by selfish after completing 150 years. There was divine light all around the head of the deities, and they used to remain continuously in a soul-conscious state. As a memory of this, there is a lamp in front of a deity statue in a temple. The birth of the deity was by the power of purity through eyesight and not by sex. To prove this fact, there is the example of the peacock. The peahen gives birth by drinking the eye drops of the peacock. Due to the purity of the peacock, its feathers are used in the crown of Sri Krishna. Hence it is known as the national bird of India. In the Golden Age, animals were like toys with magnetic filaments, and their look was very beautiful and innocent. The purity of deities controlled the gravity of the universe for the 2500-year period of the Golden and Silver Ages. We will show you the details of Golden Age science and technology in the next part of this movie. In the Copper Age, deities became body conscious. Hence their degree of purity got reduced and they became impure. At the same time, there was formation of 2 black holes, one in space above the earth and the other one below the earth, due to which there was formation of electrical insulator material inside the core at the center. The core of the earth got divided into 2 parts, hence monopole divided into 2 poles, due to which there was formation of 2 separate electromagnetic fields, and hence the sky element at the center got divided into 2 parts. During conversion of monopole into dipoles, there was Pangea event, due to which the single Indian supercontinent got divided into 7 different continents. There were different types of natural disasters which occurred, like earthquakes, tsunamis, floods, etc., due to which modern civilization of Golden and Silver Ages got destroyed and went under sea, which is known as Atlantis or Maria. Till today, people are searching for this continent, as there is formation of 2 black holes above and below the Earth's surface. The sky element got divided into 2 parts and it was found to be sinking. One part of the sky was from the main meridian to the North Pole, in which the light particles were moving in an anti-clockwise direction, similar to that of the anti-clockwise rotation of the Earth's magnetic field. In the South Pole sky, the light particles were moving in a clockwise direction, similar to that of the clockwise rotation of the Earth's magnetic field. At the same time, the Earth's land boundaries were sinking and space dimensions became more cyclic. Hence, light which fell on the Earth was in cyclic motion, due to which the Earth seemed to be as if it is round in shape. Because of this reason, the central gravity of the universe inclined at an angle of 23.5 degrees with respect to the central gravity of the Earth. the gravitational force became higher from the Copper to the Iron Age, due to which the sky element got tilted by 70 degrees to 80 degrees with respect to the Earth. In the Golden Age, the Earth's gravitational field was 100% and unified as monopole. In the Copper Age, the monopole was broken into two parts and acted as a dipole. The Earth's core was unable to get sufficient amount of ether energy, hence its internal structure started changing. The core of the Earth started discharging and resulted in geological and ecological imbalances on the Earth. The central gravity of the cosmic world, which was zero, converted into gravitational force with respect to the Earth's, and to balance these changes, God had to create a subtle region between the physical and the cosmic world. In the Copper Age, the Earth's magnetic poles got divided into two parts, due to which the Earth's single energy center got split into 13 energy centers at different places, through which the Earth's energy was distributed to living creatures and the environment. Due to creation of different energy centers on the Earth, there was imbalance of energy on it, which resulted in the rise of incidences of natural calamities. The people in the old civilizations came to know about this fact through deep meditation and spiritual power. Thus, they started to construct pyramid-like structures to receive ether energy, so as to balance the energy on the Earth. As time passed, human beings with their misconduct have continuously disturbed the Earth's ecological and geological balances, and due to this, the Earth's energy centers became more and more imbalanced, which resulted in the rapid rise of incidences of natural calamities such as earthquakes, floods, tsunamis, etc. In the Copper Age, 7 stars, Saptarishis, which were in a single straight line, got disturbed and spread in different directions. There was the effect of the zodiac and the planets on the DNA of human beings, and also on their birth charts. The planets and stars had started transforming our lives. Ether energy used to structurize our DNA and created our physical body. The serpent power was in the crown center in the Golden Age. It shifted to the heart center in the Copper Age, and now in the Iron Age, it is in the root center. There is a subtle form of ether energy used for our body, which is not discovered by science. Scientists have also found out that the universe is expanding due to increase in its density. Hence, every living being has not been getting more ether energy. At the start of the Copper Age, visible matter and energy got converted into dark energy and dark matter, which was mainly produced by our power of thoughts. Our power of purity controls nature's 5 elements. When we were pure, nature was pure, and it acts like an obedient servant. But when we become impure, we become the servant of nature. In the Golden Age, mind power of the soul was continuously in touch with the power of the universe, and in the Copper Age, it separates from each other. In the Copper Age, our mind's third eye got closed due to body consciousness. Hence, to regain our real identity, we have started to pray to God and search Him everywhere. In this age, religious founder fathers have established different religions and spread the message of remembrance of God through devotion, prayers, meditation, etc. They have been given knowledge of karma philosophy, from which the concepts of sin and virtue came into existence. We souls were in zero vision in the Golden and Silver Ages, in narrow vision in Copper and Iron Ages, and in aero vision in the Confluence Age. In the Golden and Silver Age, these different powers were in one's hand, and in the Copper and Iron Ages, these different powers were split and divided into many hands, due to which we became unhappy and restless. In the Golden Age, the earth was like a lotus shape and became optical radical in the Copper Age. Hence, it is seen like a round shape, and in future, it will become like a lotus shape again. At the start of the Copper Age, when we became impure, there were changes in the DNA structure, formation of the black hole in the human brain, as well as the center of neurons. At the end of the cosmic cycle, all the black holes would be evaporated and DNA would become 100% pure. There is a mechanism to keep ether energy flow continuously in our body. As time passed, this mechanism got disturbed and remained only 10% known and the rest 90% unknown, in which all our past memories and actions were stored. There was change in the DNA structure and only the known 10% part was used to form our body.